Hi traders, a very good morning. So the date today is 31st of October 2022. So the market has just opened and today I will be looking to do some scalping on the 5-minute time frame. So using candlesticks and some indicators. So this is Banknifty spot. This is the Banknifty futures and here will be my options chart. So let's wait for the first candle to close. So it has closed. It's a doji candle with some rejection from the upside. So definitely there's some selling pressure on the upside and we saw some rejection on the downside too. We might see a quick spike on the downside. Let's wait. The risk to reward ratio is more favorable on the downside than the upside. And also when you're an option buyer, my first preference is always to buy the puts rather than buy the calls, because when you buy puts the VIX increases, the Vega increases, and the option premium also increases. So we are seeing some rejection from the upside. Let's wait for a better entry. So today it's a quick entry. It's a risky trade, but the reward can also be big if the momentum comes. So let's see if we get the momentum or not on the downside. So I've entered in 41,300 put. So if you see, the market has been forming lower highs. So definitely, there's selling pressure in the markets. This post candle was a kind of a doji candle, but there was sharp rejection from the upside, and there was some rejection from the downside too. So yeah, so in the second candle, when I saw the continuation of the selling pressure, I entered, hoping for momentum. So our target can be, at around this super trend zone on the Bank Nifty futures chart. We want to exit here, which will also coincide with the some gap filling. But we are seeing some rejection in the candle from the downside. So let's see traders. Still some time left for this candle to close. We'll wait for the candle closing and then decide if we want to exit the trade or we want to hold on to it. So it's still not clear. If it's a down momentum, then it should happen instantaneously, if it holds, or if it pauses, then we might see a sharp movement on the downside and a stop loss may get hit. Well, let me decrease my stop loss. So it's just a 10-12 point stop loss, and I will hold on to this trade. So after taking a trade, holding on to it is the hardest part. So definitely we should be trailing it, slowly, so that if the price reverses, then we don't give a full stop loss. So trading is all about giving small losses and having greater rewards. So even if my stop loss hits here, I will have no problem because my targets are generally higher. So I will increase my stop loss slowly. Because if the price has to go up, then it has to go up from here only. If it sustains more, then we can see a momentum on the upside and my stop loss will get it. So my stop loss is at about cost now. So high chances that it will get it. So yeah, traders, it has got it, and I am at break even. You see a profit of 166 rupees. So I was in a profit of, I think, about 2800 to 3000 rupees in this trade, but if the momentum had come as I would have expected, then it could have been easily went to about 10,000, 80, 100 points we could have got. So that was the reason I didn't exit my trade. So we are seeing some momentum on the upside. Let's see if it sustains or not. So we have a trend line like this on the spot chart. So can the price come to test this trend line? So traders have entered on the call side right now. Because my first trade my stop loss got it, so high chances that price may give a momentum on the upside. So let's see how this trade unfolds. So definitely the high of this futures, the price can go at least up to this point here. The open high of futures will get tested, and I will look to exit at around the high of the futures. So traders I placed a stop loss at the low of this candle. So I want the high of this futures to be tested in one go. So traders, my stop loss is at cost right now. So, and I'll exit at around the high, open high of the futures chart. So I think the momentum will come in the next candle. So about 40 seconds left for this candle to close. So traders, this candle has closed now. Now we need a quick spike on the upside in this candle. Let's see if we get it or not. So traders, my stop loss is hit. So break even on this trade too. So two trades taken, and both the trades have ended in break even. So I wanted this momentum to continue, and maybe the price to reject from at around this level, but the price halted here. Of course, we can see a momentum in the next candle. Let's wait for that. Or if there are signs that price may fall down, then we'll enter on the trade on the put side. So right now, I'm thinking to take a trade on the call side only, because in this candle, many call riders have been trapped, and this is looks just kind of a retracement to this move, and we might see some further momentum on the outside on the upside. So on the options chart, the price has gone wanting to test the low of this green candle of the call chart. But if the price sustains below it, then we might see some stop loss hunting of the put writers, and we might see a down spike too. So let's wait. So momentum trading is all about execution, more than analysis on smaller time frames. So here the views doesn't matter, only the execution matters, and execution is how you react to what the price does. Let's see now whether price continues in the upside or it goes on the downside. So the price is still above the VWAP in the futures chart, and it is showing signs of strength. So futures is trading higher than the spot. You can see futures is trading at 41,435 and spot is trading at 41,260. Let's look at Nifty. So Nifty till now has shown a momentum on the upside. So we are seeing some downside spike in Banknifty. So can it sustain? That's the question. So it's a 30-point stop loss if I enter now. So I can easily get 60 points on this trade. So it's a 1:2 trade. But the probability of this is looking less than 50% for me, because I've seen this kind of setups forming before. 1:2. Okay, let's wait for some time. So the price is breaking the VWAP in the options chart and sustaining. If I wait for some time, then I may get a 1:1 trade with winning probability greater than 50%. So just 50 seconds left for this candle to close. So traders have entered. Let me place my stop loss first. So let me decide the target. So my stop loss is candle low. So yeah, this is my target. I'll be going with 1.3 risk to reward ratio. So I've modified my stop loss a little bit. So yeah, this is my trade. So we have seen a quick downward spike. So definitely we can see some follow through, and the price may break the day lows of the spot chart. So with this view I have entered. So I've taken two trades before this, and both have ended in break even. So this is my third trade. So in a day, you don't want to be taking more than 3-4 trades. So if the target hits, it's in this trade, then I'm looking to exit for the day, or else I may take one last another trade. So we are seeing some momentum now. So if there's a good momentum, then this target can be hit in this candle itself. So I don't want the price to halt. So new candle is forming. So I want the momentum to continue on the downside. So it's a 43-point stop loss right now and a 56-point target. So a quick spike is highly likely at this point of time on the downside. So, but if the price sustains, the green candle sustains and we see some kind of bullish momentum, then we have to look to exit also, because the price is at the day low and anytime we can see buying pressure too. So it's all about trade management right now. So after putting a stop loss and target, you can't blindly sit there. You have to got to utilize all the experience, knowledge of the price action to bring the odds on your favor. So if the price is on its way to hit the stop loss, rather than giving a full stop loss, it's good to exit earlier and save some money. So traders, I will modify my stop loss a little bit. So price is taking too much of time, which might be a bad sign. So if the price goes up from here, then it will be a swift move on the upside, because it will be hitting the stop losses of all the people who shorted the market. So I need a quick momentum on the upside from this candle itself. So traders, I have put my stop loss to cost now, because now it is either the momentum comes or the price reverses. So either there is a downside spike or the price goes on the upside. So either of the two things will happen here. So there is no point, staying on my small previous stop loss before. So if there's momentum, then the price will not halt from here. It will give a quick spike on the downside. So there are high chances now that my target will get hit, or else I will look to exit for the day, because 3 trades they break even. Then if there's a 4th trade is in loss, then I might have to overtrade, so I don't want that to happen. So 3 trades a day is very good, more than 3 trades I think you can take a 4 trade last one, but more than that you can overtrade, so overtrading is bad. So the lesser number of trades you take in a day, the better. So we are close to our targets right now. So just about 20 points remaining for target to hit. Traders have modified my stop loss, so I need the price to reach my target in one go. So now it's either my target or the stop loss on the downside. So I need this momentum to continue. So traders, yeah, the stop loss has been hit. So it has been rather a tough day. So from here the price may reverse, so that's why I didn't take any chances and I placed my stop loss. So it was either my target or was a trailing stop loss, so definitely it's very much respectable end for the day. So 2055 rupees. So I think the only learning from this video which can be applied is that always try to limit the losses, trail your stop losses. First of all, for that you have to know what you are doing. You must know price action, you must know whatever you are doing. You are trading candlesticks, indicators, price action, anything. You must know when something will happen. You must try thinking probabilities, like the probability of something happening, not happening, and if this happens, that happens. So like if this happens, then high chances your target will get hit, or if the price breaks this, then your stop loss will get hit. So these all small things you can adjust, you can try. So you can increase your chances of trading success, because trading is all about giving stop losses and and going for higher targets. So this is what I tried to did. So my primary aim is always to to reduce my losses, always trail my stop loss, trail it to break even, then start trailing profit slowly. So this is what has helped me over the years. So yeah, it's I think I will end my day, because 3 trades have been taken and I don't want to take more trades. So yeah guys, so I'm closing the video. So hope you have a great day guys. Cheers, all the best. Thank you.